Does it work? I'm rocking my YoTrix shirt. With the bimetal ND. Focus. Right here. I have not opened it because some of my unboxings are sort of fake. This one is not. I love this microphone. I'm in my room because I didn't really want to go in my basement, so if the lighting kind of sucks, it's because the lighting in my room kind of sucks. Let's get to the review. Hey guys, Editing Tyler here. Turns out I didn't have my microphone turned on the whole entire time I was recording this section, so you're just going to hear some voiceover from me right now. One thing I like about this Yoyo is the amount of effort they put into the packaging. Hats off to you, YoyoFactory. I'm assuming that the specs on this Yoyo are pretty similar to all of the other Yoyos, so I'm just going to put the specs up on screen. Here's the part where I compare it to all the other NDs. I have the regular ND and the ND Ultra and the new BiND. So they're all pretty much the same, except for the BiND is bimetal, and that's cool. But, like, it's just pretty much the same specs as everything else. The weight's different because it's a bimetal, but other than that, they're basically the same Yoyo. Overall, super clean Yoyo, super amazing, and I definitely suggest it. If you guys didn't know, the ND is one of my favorite Yoyos. It is my favorite Yoyo. It's this Yoyo, the ND, and the Cadence. Oh, they're just so good. So if you guys are looking for a competition Yoyo, I highly recommend this Yoyo. And yeah, so they're kind of cheap too. The ND is pretty cheap. It's probably like, I think it's like 44 bucks, 50 bucks. Link in description for these Yoyos. Not a sponsor. What's cool and different about the bimetal ND is that it actually has brass inside of the bimetal rims, so there's like something cool about it. It's a little fact. The reason I picked this Yoyo is because, as you can see on the red one, it has giant like words on it, and mine doesn't, and it's just really clean and cool. So that's why I got this version. Ooh. Very clean. You can tell it's like a ton heavier than the other Yoyos. Gonna do a quick grind test. It feels like it just feels cool. It's a lot heavier than the other one. It just feels like, it feels heavy, but light at the same time. When you throw it, it feels heavy, but if you're just holding it, it feels weirdly light. I saw a picture, they like cut it in half and you could see the brass inside of it. So, like, it's just kind of a different type, I believe. But it's cool, I love it. Honestly, I don't know if my mic is working that well right now. It just feels airy, that's what I was trying to say. Ugh. Finger spins is probably the same as the ND and ND Ultra. Yeah, it just feels a lot more airy. I don't know, it's like graceful, but also has weight to it. It's really weird. I like it though. It's really cool. You can go quick with it, but it's so basically my camera card got filled up. Yeah, so if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. You guys have been destroying it lately. 10 likes on the last one. Let's try and get to 15. That wasn't a very popular video last time, but I'm feeling like this one is. Trying to get 15 likes. Remember to hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next one.